Thank you for your purchase of Dash Teddy Tricycle. This unique tricycle comes with sturdy body, wide rear wheels for extra stability, light and music system and push-to-fold system which makes it easy to carry. You can assemble this tricycle by using these parts. You will also need a piler and a screwdriver. To begin with, place the front wheel complete to the main body. Now attach the handle to the main body. Fix it with the help of provided nut and bolt. In the next step, place seat to the main body and push it to lock it to main body. Fix seat as well with the help of provided screw. In the last step, place 2 AAA batteries in the handle to activate beautiful light and music. Your Dash Teddy Tricycle is now ready to use. Dash Toys, Dash Ride, Kids Pride.